Hello everyone, today we will start the Geography Chapter 1 Resources and Development. In this video, we will discuss about the multiple choice question. So let's start the video. Question number 1. What is a resource? Options A. Extract from nature. Option B. Man-made products. Option C. Extracts from environment, technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Option D. Anything from which a product can be manufactured. The correct option is extract from environment, technologically accessible, economically feasible, and culturally acceptable. Next question. The process of transformation of things available in our environment involves an interactive relationship between options are option A, nature and technology, option B, nature, technology and institutions, option C, environment and nature, option D, environment and technology. The correct option is nature, technology and institutions. Next question. How do human beings interact with nature? Option A, through technology. Option B, through nourishing environmental resources. Option C, through industry. Option D, through experimental advances. The correct option is through technology. Next question. Are resources free gift of nature and how? Option A, yes, they are. Option B, they are not. Resources are a function of human activities. Option C, yes, resources are nurtured by nature. Option D, no, anything from which a product can be manufactured. The correct answer is they are not. Resources are a function of human activities. Next question. How are resources qualified or classified? Option A, on the basis of origin. Option B, on the basis of utility. Option C, on the basis of distribution. Option C, on the basis of potential. The correct answer is on the basis of origin. Next question. Where are biotic resources obtained from? Option A, from biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. Option B, composed of non-living things. Option C, reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Option D, minerals and fossil fuel. The correct answer is option A, from biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora, fauna, fisheries, livestock. Next question. Where are abiotic resources obtained from? Option A, minerals and fossil fuel. Option B, reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Option C, composed of non-living things. Option D, from biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. The correct answer is composed of non-living things. Next question. What are renewable resources? Option A, these are obtained from biosphere and have life. Option B, composed of non-living things. Option C, which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Option D, from biosphere and have life, such as human beings, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. The correct answer is which can be renewed or reproduced by physical, chemical or mechanical processes. Next question. Give examples of renewable resources. Option A, minerals and fossil fuel. Option B, solar and wind energy, water, forest and wildlife. Option C, rocks and metals. Option D, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. The correct answer is solar and wind energy, water, forest, and wildlife. Next question. Give examples of non renewable resources. Options are option A, flora and fauna, fisheries, livestock. Option B, solar and wind energy, water, forest, and wildlife. Option C, minerals and fossil fuels. Option D, rocks and metals. The correct option is minerals and fossil fuels. Next question. Which of these are resources based on ownership? Option A, individual resource. B, abiotic. C, renewable resource. D, non-renewable. And the correct option is individual resources. Next question. Give examples of community-owned resources. Option A, public parks, playground, grazing groves, burial grounds. Option B, plots, houses. Option C, energy, water, forest. Option D, flora and fauna, fisheries. Option A, correct option is option A, public parks, playgrounds, grazing grounds, burial grounds. Next question. Give examples of national resources. Option A, plots, houses. Option B, public parks, playground, grazing grounds, burial grounds. Option C, oceanic resources. Option D, minerals, water resources, forest, wildlife, land. The correct answer is minerals, water resources, forest, wildlife, land. Next question. What are potential resources? Option A, resources which can be renewed or reproduced. Option B, resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Option C, resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Option D, those things which are composed of non-living things. The correct answer is resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Next question. What are developed resources? Next, options is resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Option B, resources which can be renewed or reproduced. Option C, those things which are composed of non-living things. Option D, resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. The correct answer is resources which are surveyed and their quality and quantity have been determined for utilization. Next question. What is stock? Option A, resources which can be renewed or reproduced. Option B, resources which are found in a region but have not been utilized. Option C, materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to access these. Option D, solar and wind energy, water, forest, and wildlife. The correct answer is materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs, but human beings do not have the appropriate technology to access these. Next question. Human beings used resources indiscriminately, and this has led to the following major problems. What are these problems? Option A, not well planned use of these resources. Option B, wastage of resources. Option C, not many problems. Option D, accumulation of resources in few hands. The correct answer is accumulation of resources in few hands. Next question. What is sustainable development? Option A, well planned use of resources and development. Option B, accumulation of resources and then using them accordingly. Option C, development should take place without damaging the environment, keeping in mind the future generations. Option D, using materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs. The correct answer is development should take place without damaging the environment, keeping in mind the future generations. Next question, why do we need resource planning? Option A, because of enormous diversity in the availability of resources. Option B, because we need to think of future generations. Option C, we need to consider materials in the environment which have the potential to satisfy human needs. Option D, the need to collect materials and resources and then using them accordingly. The correct answer is because of enormous diversity in the availability of resources. Next question, what does resource planning in India involve? Options are option A, defining the number of resources. Option B, surveying, mapping, and qualitative and quantitative estimation and measurement of the resources. Option C, taking government permission. Option D, matching the resource development plans with overall national development plans. And the correct answer is surveying, mapping, and qualitative and quantitative estimation and measurement of the resources. Next question, why is conservation of resources important? Options are option A, so that they don't get wasted. Option B, irrational consumption and over-utilization of resources may lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. Option C, for evolving a planning structure endowed with appropriate technology, skill, and institutional setup. Option D, for matching the resource development plan with overall national development plans. The correct answer is irrational consumption and overutilization of resources may lead to socio-economic and environmental problems. Next question, which type of land is not used for cultivation? Option A, already on crop production. Option B, land put to non-agricultural uses, example buildings, road, factories, etc. Option C, all types of land. D, black soil land. And the correct answer is land put to non-agricultural uses like building, roads, factories, etc. Next question, what are fallow lands? Option A, current fallow, left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. Option B, wasteland. Option C, land put to non-agricultural uses. Option D, land under miscellaneous tree crops groves. The correct answer is current fallow, left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. Next question, what is the total geographical area of India? Option A, 3.25 million square kilometer. Option B, 3.20 million square kilometer. Option C, 3.22 million square kilometer. Option D, 3.28 million square kilometer. And the correct answer is 3.28 million square kilometer. Next question, waste land includes option A, land left without cultivation for one or less than one agricultural year. B, land put to non-agricultural uses. Option C, rocky, arid and desert areas. Option D, land left uncultivated for the past 1 to 5 agricultural years. The correct option is rocky, arid and desert areas. Next question, dash % of our basic needs for food, shelter and clothing are obtained from land. Option A, 70. Option B, 80. Option C, 90. Option D, 95. And the correct answer is option D, 95. Next question, which human activities have led to land degradation? Option A, deforestation, overgrazing. Option B, agriculture. Option C, building and making roads. Option D, factories and industry. The correct answer is option A, deforestation and overgrazing. Next question, how can we solve the problems of land degradation? Option A, afforestation. Option B, more agriculture crops. Option C, try to grow plants in desert areas. Option D, keep injury away from agriculture land. The correct answer is afforestation. Next question, what are the factors responsible for soil formation? Option A, agriculture. Option B, forest. Option C, desert denudation. Option D, change in temperature, actions of running water, wind and glaciers, activities of decomposers. The correct answer is option D, change in temperature, action of running water, wind and glaciers, activities of decomposers. Next question, which is the most widely spread soil in India? Option A, black soil. Option B, alluvial soil. Option C, red soil. Option D, arid soil. The correct answer is alluvial soil. Next question, which important river systems have set the alluvial soil? Option A, Ganga, Indus. Option B, Kaveri. Option C, Bias. Option D, Satluj. The correct answer is option A, Ganga, Indus. Next question, alluvial soil are favorable for the growth of dash. Option A, sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereal and pulse crops. Option B, nuts. Option C, palm. Option D, cotton. The correct answer is option A, sugarcane, paddy, wheat and other cereal and pulse crops. Next question, black soil is favorable for the growth of dash. Option A, paddy and wheat. Option B, nuts. Option C, cereals. Option D, cotton. The correct answer is cotton. Next question, where is black soil mostly found? Option A, Karnataka and Kerala. Option B, plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Option C, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Option D, Assam. The correct answer is plateaus of Maharashtra, Saurashtra, Malwa, Madhya Pradesh and Chhattisgarh. Next question, where are red soil mostly found? Option A, Deccan Plateau, parts of Odisha. Option B, Kerala and Karnataka. Option C, Rajasthan and Gujarat. Option D, Maharashtra and Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Deccan Plateau, parts of Odisha. Next question, where are the laterite soils found in India? Option A, Middle Ganga Plain. Option B, Saurashtra, Malwa. Option C, Western Ghat regions of Maharashtra, Odisha. Option D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is Western Ghat regions of Maharashtra, Odisha. Next question, where is the arid soil found? Option A, Rajasthan. Option B, Gujarat. Option C, Assam. And option D, Madhya Pradesh. The correct answer is option A, Rajasthan. Next question, the land becomes unfit for cultivation and is known dash. Option A, fallow land. Option B, badland. Option C, wasted land. Option D, deserted land. The correct answer is badland. Next question, what is soil erosion? Option A, denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down of soil. Option B, soil eroded by rivers. Option C, muddy stuff blown away by winds. Option D, soil eroded by rains. The correct answer is denudation of the soil cover and subsequent washing down of soil. Next question, the processes of dash and dash go on simultaneously and generally there is a balance between the two. Option A, denudation and erosion. Option B, soil formation and erosion. Option C, soil formation and denudation. Option D, climatic conditions and soil erosion. The correct answer is soil formation and erosion. Next question, why is the balance between the two disturbed? Option A, due to human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining. Option B, afforestation. Option C, agriculture. Option D, climate. The correct answer is due to human activities like deforestation, overgrazing, construction and mining. Next question, the running water cuts through the clay soil and makes deep channels known as dash. Options are tributaries. Option B, ravines. Option C, gullies. Option D, drains. Correct answer is gullies. Next question, when the topsoil is washed away, what is it called? Option A, sheet erosion. Option B, layer erosion. Option C, part erosion. Option D, flat erosion. The correct answer is sheet erosion. Next question, what is strip cropping? Option A, planting lines of trees. Option B, planting between water beds. Option C, cultivating, making steps. Option D, strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. The correct answer is strips of grass are left to grow between the crops. Next question, what are shelter belts? Option A, cultivating, making steps. Option B, planting lines of trees to create shelter. Option C, planting huge bushes, plants in deserts. Option D, planting near waterbeds. Correct answer is planting lines of trees to create shelter. Next question, what is the contribution of the shelter belts? Option A, to conserve water. Option B, to conserve soil. Option C, to the stabilization of sand dunes. Option D, to maintain forest. The correct answer is to the stabilization of sand dunes. Next question, which one of the following types of resources is iron ore? Option A, renewable. Option B, non-renewable. Option C, biotic. Option D, abiotic. The correct answer is option D, abiotic. Next question, how can resources be classified? Option A, on the basis of origin. Option B, on the basis of color. Option C, on the basis of use. Option D, on the basis of area. The correct answer is on the basis of origin. Next question, what type of a resource are rocks? Option A, abiotic. Option B, renewable. Option C, potential. Option D, biotic. The correct option is abiotic. Next question, water in the dams, forest, etc. is a dash resources which can be used in the future. Option A, potential. Option B, reserve. Option C, renewable. Option D, national. The correct answer is option B, reserve.